How to pay your Citi credit card bill online. To pay your Citi credit card bill online, you can either use the Citi Mobile Banking application or you can go ahead and then log into the website. So you can go ahead and launch a Citibank. So let me just go to my browser over there. So that once I open up my browser, I can simply go to Citibank. When I do that, I can go to citi.com. Then after I've done that, I can go ahead and then basically sign into my online banking account. After I sign in, access your Citi account to the website and choose the credit card you want to pay from the list of available cards. So when you tap the sign in button and sign in, after you log in, you'll find a list of credit cards that is available for you to pay from. Choose how you want to pay, example, from your Citi transactional account or an external bank account. Then specify the payment amount, the date you want the payment to be processed, and the purpose of the transfer. Review the transaction details and confirm to complete the payment. After you've done that, you can pay your credit card bill from another bank account using your bank's bill pay service or by transferring funds through their online banking platform. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.